Hi guys, this is Steve from Made in the Shade Raleigh. Quick message just to explain our relationship with real estate agents. As a real estate agent, you're not just selling a house, you're creating an experience. That's why having a go-to window treatment company in your corner can make such a big difference both before and after the sale. Before a home hits the market, updated blinds and shades can completely change how it feels. They make spaces look cleaner, brighter, and more move-in ready. Great window treatments also help with lighting during showings and in photos. This means the home presents better both online and in person. Sometimes it's the small finishing touches that help a listing stand out and sell faster. After the closing, real value continues. New homeowners quickly realize that they need privacy and light control, often right away. When you can recommend a trusted professional to measure, make recommendations, and install the right solutions, you're saving them time and stress, and that reflects well on you. At the end of the day, partnering with a window treatment company helps you elevate your listings, support your clients, and stay top of mind as a trusted resource long after the deal is done. Again, Steve, Made in the Shade Raleigh. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thanks.